Dear students, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Based on the time zone at presently you are staying. First of all, I welcome all of you for our YouTube channel. You know very well, I am Selvamani Krishnamurthy, who is sitting in front of you. This is Data Science video lesson number 31. In this lesson, let us study how to import one MySQL table as data frame, as well as how to export one data frame as MySQL table. I hope all of you know something about MySQL. That means how to create one database, how to create one table, then how to insert some records. I hope so. So as usual, let us share my screen so that it will be easy for you to understand. I hope my screen is visible to all. So data science lesson number 31. Topic is import and export MySQL table. So far, most of the time, we are creating one data frame from one CSV file. CSV file contains some rows. So we are importing the CSV file as a data frame. Okay. After that, we work. Same thing here. Instead of CSV file, we need to import MySQL table. That means we need to create one data frame from the records available in MySQL table. This is what our aim. After that, we have one data frame. We need to export or we need to create one MySQL table from the data what we have in data frame. I hope it is clear. So here, installing packages. So far, we use so many packages. One is NumPy package. Another one is Pandas package we are using. This NumPy and Pandas package are by default already installed in our Jupyter notebook. Now, to perform import and export MySQL table, we need two more packages. One is MySQL, another one is SQL Alchemy. These two packages we need. But the problem is these two packages are not by default installed in our Jupyter notebook. So first we need to install these two packages. After that, we need to import these two packages. How you import pandas as well as how we import NumPy. This is what things. So now how we can install these two packages? I gave some procedure here. To install these two packages, click New Terminal in Jupyter Notebook. Then type pip install PyMySQL and enter. Then type pip install SQL Alchemy and enter. This is the procedure. Same thing, I will demonstrate in front of you how to install these two packages which are necessary to import and export MySQL table. See, so far we are using new Python 3 we will click, then another notebook will be open. Instead of clicking Python 3, we need to click terminal. See, we should not click it here, terminal. Then terminal prompt will open. In terminal prompt, we need to type pip install PyMySQL first. After that, we need to type pip install SQL Alchemy and then press enter. That means these two packages will be installed in our Jupyter notebook. I hope it is clear to all. Let us wait for a few seconds. See, this is the prompt. Here I need to type pip install PyMySQL first. Okay. If you have doubt, we can go through the PPT. See, install pip install PyMySQL, then enter. This is the first package we are going to install. After that, we need to type pip install SQL Alchemy. I hope it will take some time. In the time being, we can go for our PPT. I think it's installed. Good. So now let us type another one, pip install SQL Alchemy. So pip install SQL Alchemy, press enter. So it will also install. Once these two packages are installed, okay, what we have to do now, the required packages are installed in our Jupyter notebook. Then we can go for import and export table. Three functions are very much needed to import and export table. What are they? First one is create underscore engine. This create underscore engine is a function which is available under SQL Alchemy. That is why this package we installed. This create underscore engine is used to create the connection between Python and the MySQL database. So this create underscore engine create the connection between Python and the MySQL engine. Next one is read underscore SQL underscore query. It is a function of pandas. This function is used to run SQL query. This SQL query returns some record. Okay. So after that, it will create one data frame from the SQL query using the connection which is already created by create underscore engine. That means first we need to create one engine. Then we need to call read underscore SQL underscore query. It executes SQL query. It returns some records. Then data frame will be created from the records using the connection. Third function is to underscore SQL. It is also a function of pandas. It is used to create MySQL table from data frame. Read underscore SQL underscore query create data frame from MySQL table. Whereas to underscore SQL create MySQL table from data frame using same SQL Alchemy connection. That means what? Before using these two functions, we need to create one engine with the help of create underscore engine. I hope it is clear. Now let us see one small coding. My aim is in my SQL, I have one database called school. The database school as student. Okay. So now that student has 3 records. These records, I want to create one data frame. This is what my aim. Before that, I will open MySQL in my laptop. So this is MySQL installed in my laptop already. The username is root, R-O-O-T, password is tiger. Already I created one database called school. So I need to enter into database called school. Under school, already I created one table called student. So it has 3 records. So I need to create one data frame from these 3 records available under student. This is what my aim. So let me proceed here. How to create one data frame from this MySQL table student. So as usual, I import pandas as PD, import PyMySQL as Py, and then from SQL Alchemy import create underscore engine. This is what I need. So already I install, I imported. After that, I need to create one engine. So with the help of create engine, the create engine accept one argument. That argument should be like this. That means MySQL plus PyMySQL colon double slash. This root is my username for MySQL colon tiger. This tiger is my password for MySQL. At the rate of localhost colon 3306. It is should be localhost slash. This school is a MySQL database. So I created one engine. This engine create a connection between Python and the MySQL database called school. After that, I call read underscore SQL underscore query. It accepts two arguments. One argument is SQL query, another argument is connection. See, within double quote, select star from student. You know very well, this select star from student returns all the records available under student. This is the connection we are using. Okay. So all the records will be stored as a data frame called DF. This is what we are using. I hope it is clear. Let me demonstrate the same thing in front of you. Now it's not needed. I can minimize it. Let's open it. So now I create my Python 3 Jupyter notebook. So now I import pandas as PD. I import PyMySQL as Py. Then I import SQL Alchemy. Import create underscore engine. These are the modules I need to import. Then I need to create one engine. This instead of engine, whatever name one, you can give, no problem. I call create engine. I need to give one argument as a string argument. First one is MySQL plus PyMySQL double slash. So you need to follow the same procedure. Colon tiger. Here root is my MySQL username. Tiger is my MySQL password. At the rate localhost. It should be 3306. And then slash school. This school is my database, which is already created under MySQL. So after that, I created one connection between Python and MySQL in the name of engine. Then I need to create one data frame. Now I need to call read underscore SQL underscore query. Okay. This accept two arguments. One is SQL query select star from student. Then connection. Connection already created called engine. Now one data frame is created. Let me check. Made mistake here. It should be pandas. So I see all records are inserted. Records available under student table is inserted here properly. Right? Nothing to worry, along with index. So now we studied how to import one MySQL table as data frame. I hope it is clear. Then let us proceed with another one. How to export one data frame. How to export one data frame. See it here. Here I have one dictionary. Mark underscore dictionary. Okay. So name, Tamil, English as a key. These are key value pairs. So 3 key value pair. That means 3 students mark I have. This from dictionary I created one data frame called DF1. Okay. So DF1 content this one. Name, Tamil, English. There are 3 records. My aim is I want to create one table, MySQL table from this data frame. That means I need to export one data frame as MySQL table. This is what I do. what I have to do? df1.to underscore SQL. This is the table name which is yet to be created. We need to make sure this table should not be available under our database called score. Let me check first. Mark. So it is already there. Let me drop the table mark. Now our database score contains only one table, that is called select star from. Is there, but mark is not there. Okay, table mark does not exist, but my aim is I have one data frame called df1. It has 3 rows, 3 columns. All the data available under df1 should be exported as MySQL table called mark. This is what my aim. So to underscore SQL, mark is the table which is yet to be created. Engine is the connections already be created. I hope it is clear. If you run this coding means in MySQL, mark table will be created with all 3 records including index. Okay, let me demonstrate. Now mark table is not available under our MySQL. First, let me create one dictionary. Then colon, table, data, comma, arrow. So I need 3 key value pair. Then that's a Tamil subject marks. 10, comma, 100, comma, 100. Second key value pair over. Then English 20, comma, 99, comma, 90. So let me check. Underscore dict. So I have one dictionary, but my aim is I need to create data frame df1 equal to pd.data frame. So I want to create data frame from mark dictionary. Let me check. So it's fine. So I created one data frame. It has 3 rows and 3 columns along with the index. My aim is I need to export this data frame as MySQL table called mark. Very simple. df1.to underscore SQL. Within bracket mark what table you want to create. Which engine already we created in the same engine we can use it. Very simple. Let me run. You will not see any output here, but mark table will be created in MySQL. Let me check. Under SQL database, same command I give once again now. So record is created. Table mark is created. Before it is not there, it is created. Same record, whatever available in a data frame, name Tamil English along with index, Arial Sarika Charan, all records are created successfully. I hope it is clear. Now, I hope all of you enjoy this lesson. Today, let us study how to import MySQL table as a data frame, how to export one data frame as MySQL table. So I hope all of you enjoy this lesson. Let me stop here itself. In next lesson, let us study something extra. Until then, thank you, student. Have a nice good day. Bye-bye. See you.